Discuss relation between small g and capital G, where small g is gravitational acceleration and capital G gravitational constant. Okay, now we discuss what first draw a picture. Suppose that the mass of the earth, that is earth, it is the shape of spherical. That's total mass belongs of that of earth is me of the center of earth. Okay, and the radius of earth is located ori. Okay, suppose that the mass of earth is me and the radius of is re, assuming earth to be spherical, its intermass me may be the supposed to the concentrated at its center. That's total mass concentrate in a center. Okay, let a small body that is placed on the surface of the earth, that's mass is m. Okay, between the smallest particles m and radius and center of mass, center of earth, that is re. Okay, so now we suppose that the mass of earth me, radius of earth re, body of mass me. So calculate the force between small m and mass of earth. Okay, apply the gravitational law of Newton's gravitational law applies the find the force between earth and that small body. Okay, so now calculate the force of attraction between small m and capital M. F equal capital G mass of earth, mass of body divided by re square. Okay, because between the distance me and m equal radius of earth. Okay, that's equation number first. That is equation number first. But we know what's weight of smallest body is F equal mg. F equal mg. That is the weight of body in the surface of earth. F equal mg. Now place F equal mg. So mg equal capital G me small m divided by re square, where mm cancel out. So find the result. G equal capital G me upon re square, means that relation is a between small g and capital G. Okay, thank you.